Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Unang yalam ka BJP uba ALHEC uba longru menteri ka sarkar jela ulaong ba kamat One Nation One Election kadai ka polisi Kaba Paka tam. Habakran sigilat patay kubor ha kaar tarik uyayong arhajar arpusan uba ALHEC ulaong ba kajing tarwa ban pelong ha kajo kapor ya ka election Lok Sabha bat ya ka election ha ki jela kaniarap hadu kata-kata ban penduna ya kajing lut jingsep.
Only one party in India who was not working only during elections, that is BJP. BJP is working throughout, whether election, there's no election, or any party walk or not party walk, but the BJP is 24/7 are working for the BJP party. We don't hold meeting only before election. We are holding throughout only the meeting. Party, what for that political party will be if we are not contesting election? One nation, one election is the best policy. Why I'm telling you, that is my personal reading, my personal observations. If we have one nation, one election. Today we have so many elections in the year, so many elections. Okay, every election there will be introduced the model code of conduct. If the model code of conduct is in place, it is hamper so many development. So many elections, so many days will be the model code of conduct, and so much expenditure will be involved. Who will be ultimately loser? We, the citizens of the people of our country, will be the loser. No development, lot of expenditure, don't make any sense at all.
So, do you think that next election, assembly election, will be on that?
I wish should be one nation, one election. If you ask me, my personal opinion, I have no problem for winning or losing the election. My concern is only the development of the state and the expenditure, we minimize the expenditure, unnecessary expenditure of the country and the state of Meghalaya also.